Hello friends, my name is Aarav Goel and I'm a student at Aakash Chandigarh enrolled for the one-year classroom program for the NEET UG examination 2025. मुझे आकाश के बारे में ANTHE के थ्रू पता लगा था and I saw advertisements of the ANTHE exam in the newspaper, which is a large scholarship exam that lakhs of students take every year, and I scored all in a rank 2 in that exam and secured a 100% scholarship for my course. And that's how my journey with Aakash for NEET UG started. Ever since I was a child, I had dreamt of becoming a doctor, primarily because of the environment of my home. Both my parents are specialist doctors. My dad is a neurosurgeon and my mother is a gynecologist. Ever since I was a child, I had seen them work tirelessly, treating patients with their illnesses and giving a smile on their faces. So I had always wanted to pursue my career in a profession like that. Doctors, as we all know, is a very noble profession and something which has immense respect in the society. My main strategy for the examination was consistency. Consistency is the key to success for any examination. It does not matter what examination you're preparing for, you just have to remain consistent. Every day I used to make detailed notes of everything that was covered in the classes. I attended all classes regularly. After making notes in the class, I used to revise them every day and practice questions from the package as well as cover the topics from NCERT. I gave equal attention to all the three subjects, physics, chemistry and biology. For biology, I covered NCERT many times and did it entirely from that. For chemistry, main focus was also on NCERT, and for physics, NCERT is also important. The points mentioned in the NCERT at the back of the chapter are very helpful in giving direct answers to reason questions and statement-based questions that are asked in the examination. During the NEET journey, बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ था कि मेरे मार्क्स कम आ रहे थे. कुछ टेस्ट में बहुत प्रिपरेशन की थी एंड लग रहा था इसमें तो 700 प्लस आराम से क्रॉस होंगे, बट उसमें फिर वही 680, 675 तक रह जाता था, विच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड मी अ लॉट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. बट उसके बावजूद भी मैंने टीचर्स के डिस्कस किया था वो, एंड मैं उनसे डिस्कस करता था कि मेरे यहाँ पे मिस्टेक क्यों हुई थी, एंड दिस टू गाइड मी कि यहाँ पे सिली मिस्टेक हुई है, यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन एरर हुआ है. एंड मैंने अपनी सारी मिस्टेक्स का बहुत ट्रैक रखा था एंड ध्यान रखा था कि आई शुड नॉट रिपीट द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन. ड्यूरिंग द सेम टाइम मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया था इसमें. दे नेवर रियली scolded me or apprehended me for getting less marks. They always motivated me, cheered me up and taught me to always talk positive with myself. And उनका बहुत सपोर्ट रहा है इस पूरी जर्नी. प्रिपरेशन के दौरान मैंने सारे डाउट्स क्लियर किए थे, चाहे वो कितना भी बेसिक भी क्यों ना हो. ड्यूरिंग द प्रिपरेशन बहुत डाउट्स आते थे एंड टीचर्स से सारे डिस्कस किए थे. इवन एंड टीचर्स ने भी हमेशा उनको वेलकम किया था. दे नेवर टोल्ड मी दैट ये डाउट बहुत बेसिक है या तुम्हें ये पूछना नहीं चाहिए. एंड 1-to-1 सेशंस भी बहुत कंडक्ट किए थे जब डाउट्स एक साथ बहुत आने लग गए थे. रिवीजन के टाइम एंड टेस्टिंग के टाइम टीचर्स ने हमारे सबके डाउट्स क्लियर किए थे, विच वॉज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें उससे हमें पता लगी. इसी स्ट्रैटेजी का यूज़ करके मैंने NEET UG 2025 के अंदर एक बहुत अच्छा स्कोर और एक बहुत अच्छा रैंक अचीव किया है. My advice to the NEET aspirants would be that in these 2 years you have to focus a lot on your studies and be consistent with them. Do not miss any classes and सारे tests भी आपको regularly देने हैं, चाहे तैयारी हो या ना हो. They will really help you to identify your weak areas and improve upon them. Do not ever hesitate to ask a doubt from a teacher, चाहे वो कितना भी basic क्यों ना हो, and they will always welcome you in that. NCERT को आपको मास्टर करके चलना है and you should know what all questions can be formed from that, and that should be at your tips. And most importantly, आपको Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and जितने भी social media platforms हैं उनसे दूर रहना है. You have to study distraction free for these 2 years, and even more important than that, you have to take care of your health. In these 2 years, avoid eating junk food and prefer home cooked food, as it will not allow you to fall ill and will prevent from making any backlogs. So, and at the last, all the best. Thank you.